Hello and welcome back to the next and second part of the Python tutorial series about Matplotlib. Last video we created our first graphs. I showed you some ways of visualization, and now we want to name certain stuff. We want to create our own labels for the y-axis, for the x-axis. We want to set title, and we want to create our own fonts for that. So let's start. On the right side, bottom right side, you see our graph here. I'm kind of resizing it. And first of all, we want to give our baby a name. And that's pretty simple. Just type in plt.title and then a string, which is of course the title, like, okay, let's call it boredom, my boredom during the day. Boredom during the daytime. Now let's run the code. And you can see, boredom during daytime as a label above the graph. We can use another input like log equals left, 1 again. Now as you can see, okay, 1 again. As you can see now the title is on the left side. What you can also do, you can name the x and the y axis like plt y label equals possibility to fall asleep in in percent, and let's do the x label, which of course is for the x-axis, which can be 1 divided to 19 of the day, because we have 19 elements. Okay, let's run again. Let's run again. Okay, I did something entirely wrong. What was this? I wanted to say x label, but kind of hit the wrong function. Here now we have labels for possibility to fall asleep in percent if you kind of move your head about 90 degrees, but clearly visible is the name of the x axis. So now let's create some fonts. Let's say font t equals, now we have to type in a dictionary, family, not that, family, color and size. Let's add 3 different fonts like that, and now we have the keys, or in this case we only created sets. So in this case, Arial, serif. Don't really know the English words. I'm kind of doing it by instinct. Let's again serif, color, dark green, not dark cream, dark green. Size equals, come on, 12. Red, yellow, size equals 14, 15. So now let's make the font names more individually, like this. You shouldn't name your variables like this. I'm just doing it because it's just a small tutorial video. Okay, and now you can use a new argument in the label. Font equals, for example, fonty, font equals fonty, and font equals fontii. Now let's try it out. Okay, what is unexpected? Okay, the argument name is not font but font dictionary. Okay. Have a false memory, I guess. Or maybe it's a Mandela effect. Yeah, here we go. Of course, yellow is hard to see. Let's use, yeah, black. Really uncreative, but yeah, let's use black. Try again. Here we go. Yeah. So now we have different labels, different colors, even different families and different sizes. Okay, that's it for today. Today a little shorter video. I hope you still could enjoy it. Yeah, I didn't want to talk too much about it because it's a really simple topic and something that's easily to Google. So yeah, have fun at coding. See you in the next video. Wish you a wonderful evening. Dinner time, lunch time, whatever time it is in your country. See you and bye bye.